Assalamu alaikum dear student, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Bilal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal Universal School, Deshi. Dear student, look, today our topic is exercise 4.2, lecture number 21 and exam number 18. Look, question number 1, simplify 1 number x power 3 into x power 7. Student, remember the formula a power m into a power n. This is equal to what? A power m plus n. Okay, this is the formula. A power m into a power n equal to what? A power m plus n. Okay, this is the formula. According to this formula, we have to simplify this. This is equal to what? X power 3 plus 7. This is equal to what? X power 10. Okay, this is the simplified result. 3 plus 7 equal to what? 10. Now, similarly, a power is 3 plus here power is 1 and here power is what? 5. A power 3 plus power is 1 plus 5. This is equal to what? A power 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9. Okay, student, look, basis same. Basis same, then power will be addition. That means 3 plus 1 plus 5. Okay, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. Now, question number 6. We have to simplify now. At first, look, 2x square, 4x square, right here, 2x square into 4x square, then y square into 3y square into 3y square into 2z square. Look, 4 to the 8 into x power, basis is 2, basis is x, then power will be addition. That means 2 plus 2 into y, 1 into 3, that means 1 into 3 into y square into y square into 2z square. This is equal to what? 8 into x power 4 into 3 ones are 3 into y power 4 into 2z square. Now 8 into 3 into 2. 8 into 3 into 2. Then x power 4 into y power 4 into z square. This is equal to what? 3 8s are 24. 24 into 2, 48. And x power 4, y power 4, z square. Okay, student, this is the result. Now, question number 2. Look, given that if a equal to 2, b equal to 3, c equal to 1, then what is the value of a cube plus b square? Then 2 norm b cube plus c cube. Look, value of a equal to what? 2, then power 3. Value of b equal to 3, then square. Look, a equal to what? 2. Then power is 3, plus. B means what? 3 power 2. Look, 2 power 3, that means 2 into 2 into 2 plus 3 square means what? 3 into 3. That means 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 8 plus 3 to the 9. That means 8 plus 9 is equal to what? 17. Now, this is the result. B cube plus C cube. B equal to what? B equal to 3, then power 3. C equal to what? 1, then power 1. 3 power 3 means what? 3 into 3 into 3. 1 into 1 into 1. This is equal to what? 27 plus 1. 1 ones are 1. That means 27 plus 1, 28. Student, look here. You see B equal to what? 3, then power 3. Plus C equal to what? 1. 1, then power 3. 3 power 3, that means 3 into 3 into 3. That means 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, plus 1, 28, 7, 27 plus 1, 28. This is the result. Okay, student? Now I will solve question number 3. If x equal to 3, y equal to 5, z equal to 2, show that y square minus x square equal to x plus y into y minus x. Right. Left, right, given that x equal to 3, y equal to 5, then write left hand side y. Y means what? Y means 5 square. X means what? 3 square. 5 square means what? 5 into 5 minus 3 into 3. That means 25 minus 9. 25 minus 9 equal to what? 16. Okay, this is left hand side. Now write right hand side. Right hand side equal to what? X plus y into y minus x. Now look, x equal to what? X equal to 3 plus y equal to 5, y equal to 5 minus x equal to 3. X equal to 3, y equal to 5, y equal to 5, x equal to what? X equal to 3. You see, x equal to 3, y equal to 5, y equal to 5 minus x equal to 3. Now 3 plus 5, 8 into 2, 8 to the 16. Now see, left hand side is 16 and right hand side is also 16. Therefore, left hand side equal to right hand side. You have to show that. That means you have to write shown. Now question number 2. We have to prove that x plus y whole square equal to x minus y whole square plus 4xy. Look, right, given that x equal to what? X equal to 3, y equal to 5. Alright, left hand side x plus y whole square, then x equal to what? 3, y equal to 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 square means what? 8 into 8. This is equal to what? 64. Now write right hand side x minus y whole square plus 4xy. Look, x means what? X means 3 minus y means what? Y means 5 whole square plus 4. X means what? 3. Y means what? 5. 3 minus 5, this is equal to what? Minus 2 then whole square plus 4 3s are 12. 12 into 5 equal to 60. 12 into 5, 60. Minus 2 whole square, that means minus 2 into minus 2 plus 60. Minus 1 say plus 2 to the 4 plus 60. Now 60 plus 4, 64. Therefore write left hand side equal to right hand side. Right? Shown. Okay, dear student, I hope you understood. Now I will talk about the vacation for Eid-ul Fitr. Okay? Yes, student, vacation for Eid-ul Fitr, you do the MCQ. Okay? For the following, there are 5 questions. Okay? Which one is the value of a power 7 into a power 8? Okay? Like this way, you see, a power 7 is a power 8. That means we know basis same, then power will be addition. Like this way you solve. Similarly, question number 2 also, a power 3 into a minus 3. This is equal to what? Basis same, then power will be addition. That means 3 minus 3 equal to what? We know 0. 3 number, which one is the value of 5x square into 4x power 4? Similarly, you have to solve. 4 number, which one is the index? Index, that means the power in x power 5 into x power 4. Okay, A number, B number, C number, like this way. Which one is the following is correct? Then you give the tick sign. 5 norm, which one is the index of A in 5a cube into a power 5? Index, that means power. Okay, similarly you have to solve. Dear student, this is the you submit on 29th May 2021. Okay student. Dear student, no more today. You keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.